Welcome all. I am N. Mukesh from Puliambatti. I am pursuing BE first year Mechatronics in SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to see a topic about CLT in AI of signals and systems. First, what is AI and the expansion of AI? The expansion of AI is artificial intelligence. And what is artificial intelligence? The artificial intelligence is a theory and development of a computer system that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, like speech recognition, decision making, visual perceptions. For example, features of human intelligence that artificial intelligence may possess. AI, artificial intelligence in signals and system. In signals processing, a signal is a function that conveys information about a phenomenon. In electronics and telecommunication, it refers to any time varying voltage, current, or electromagnetic wave that carries information. A signal may also be defined as an observable change in a quantity and quantity. Any quantity, such as physical quantity that exhibits variation in space or time, can be used as signals to share message between observers. During the last decade, there has been increasing use of artificial intelligence tools in almost all areas of human activity. Artificial intelligence is not only at the heart of the current rise in information technology, but in all areas of life in this regard. New algorithms and systems with the power of AI are being developed. Therefore, new hardware and computer platforms are needed to support emerging AI, artificial intelligence, algorithm and application, from cloud servers to security. Facing these new challenges and opportunities, the artificial intelligence circuits and system sections has been established to facilitate state-of-the-art research, innovation and development activities in the areas of artificial intelligence, securities and system. It serves as the best platform for scholars, technology researchers and industry professionals to establish their studies and further advance artificial intelligence technology and circuits and system. Artificial intelligence circuits and system sections is focused on publications that are related to circuits and systems for artificial intelligence. The sections covers topic of interest within hardware-based deep learning (AI), artificial intelligence using machine learning, and it is dedicated to the publications of articles not only from the listed areas but also from similar or related areas. We encourage the submission of original contribution derived from theoretical and or application-oriented research studies. I hope the following topic will help for you. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity by SNS College of Technology. Thank you.